na nababakabalin. Welcome to Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mabalacat City.
If you notice guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang aesthetic shop, a spa, a salon, all-in-one actually bro. So we wanna tour you and at the same time papakita natin yung mga services na pwede nyong i-avail dito.
So tara, let's go!
I am Ria Crishel Tolentino, the manager of Renew Beauty Lifestyle. Renew Beauty Lifestyle is the biggest beauty hub here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. It includes all the services, the hair, the nails, the spa, aesthetics, and also the cafe. For the nails, we have nail extension. For the regular manicure, it is for $199, and then for the regular pedicure, it is $299.
Alright, so yun guys. For this section, nasa nails and foot spa section tayo. Notice, meron tayong mga very luxury chairs. And at the same time, ang dami. So you can actually fit in up until more than 10. So pwede sila dito. Actually, so pagpunta natin dito, meron din silang section for us, a spa. Let's see. Itong pinaka-favorite na spot ko dito sa Renew Beauty Lifestyle. So notice, meron tayong spa. Actually, this is fit for a couple or even single. For example, ikaw lang mag-isa, pwedeng-pwede kang actually pumunta dito. And here's what you can enjoy. So meron tayong massage table, tables and chairs for you to chill. Meron tayong jacuzzi, meron tayong sauna. And after all na natapos yung mga services mo dito, you can actually enjoy a refreshing shower.
For the entire service of the package, we have almost half day. Yeah, for the package of the sauna, the jacuzzi, and the whole body massage. We want them to feel pampered, also yung therapeutic na magigain nila sa katawan nila, yung talagang marirelax yung katawan nila.
This hallway, dito sa right side natin, yung mga massage rooms. Now, this is an all-in-one, one-stop shop, spa salon, and aesthetic shop. Dito sa side naman to, this room is actually a salon for men and women.
For the hair, we have the rebonding, the hair color, and such hair treatments. For the aesthetics, we have the non-surgical treatments such as those basic facial, diode, and also RF, and then all the machines are high-tech machines for the aesthetics now. And also enhance the beauty of the clients and customers. For the massage, we have different kinds of massage. We have the Swedish, the Shiatsu, the Thai massage, the Ventosa, and we have our specialty also, the Renew Signature Massage. It will be 1 hour and 30 minutes, so inclusion of massage and the hot stones, which is $1199. We are officially open, so you can visit us and try us. So you can pamper, relax, and chill. And also for the maintenance of your beauty lifestyle. We are located here in Mabalacat, Mamatitang, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Open daily from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Here you can experience the one-of-a-kind services we have. See you here at Renew Mabalacat.